Zane.
And I'm Topher.
We go to Union University in Jackson, Tennessee.
And this is our Monsters Inc. themed box for Ben.
Ben is a 5-year-old boy who had a drowning accident when he was 3. The incident left him with neurological damage that affects his vision and motor skills.
At this time, Ben requires a lot of assistance, but we hope this toy can bring him some enjoyment and act as a therapeutic device.
So we had a lot of different ideas for Ben's project. We thought about doing like a lava lamp that would light up and give him a lot of good visual stimulation. We also thought about doing this Monsters Inc. themed character with an adaptive switch. He would be able to press it and then this might light up. We had another idea about something kind of like a baby mobile that would hang over him as he was sitting down and then move. We settled on an idea that kind of had the best of all worlds. With his box, it has movement, it comes in and out. It's Monsters Inc. themed, it has music and audio, and it lights up.
At the beginning, we had a small stepper motor that was connected to an Arduino. That stepper motor drove a drive gear like this, and that gear drove the platform back and forth, such as this. But after many failed attempts, we determined that this design was not strong enough to move the platform.
So we got inspiration from 3D printers. And now on the inside of our box, we have a screw like this, and we've attached a holder to it for our platform so the platform can slide back and forth like this as the screw turns, very similar to linear actuators and 3D printers. In addition to the many different iterations we went through on the motor setup, we also printed nearly 15 different prototypes for our holder that would actually attach to the screw and allow for movement of the platform. We started with something like this, but we ended up going with a design that was much more sturdy and effective. The box is powered through just plugging it into a wall outlet. We installed LED light strips to light it up. These are controlled by a remote control. The movement in and out is controlled by the stepper motor on the inside, and it's programmed through an Arduino to go one direction to open it and the other direction to close it through the use of 2 different buttons. The 2 different sounds for open and close are also controlled through the Arduino, as well as an MP3 player shield that contains an SD card with the different soundtracks. The sounds then output through 2 small speakers in the back.
We're so thankful for this opportunity to help Ben, and we can't wait for him to enjoy it in the future.